Hi, in this video, we're going to be showing how to set up target counting in Vitek's transcendent software. We'll be using the Vitek PTZ 23HRAN-8PNS camera, as well as the Vitek TNR 818 PFN NVR. Let's get started. We're going to go into the bottom left menu, click on Settings, click on People Vehicle Detection. From here, you can go ahead and do target counting. We're going to go ahead and enable that. Next up, once again, we're going to draw a line of where we want to start counting, either direction, either entering or exiting, or you can do both as well. For this one, we're going to show entrance and exit. We want to detect, the detection target is going to be humans, motor vehicles, or non-motor vehicles. For now, we're going to leave humans detection off. Once you have all the settings correct, go ahead and do apply. Once we hit apply, we can go ahead and close out the menu and go back to our screen. We did point it to a busier street. As you can see, as cars are passing by, it does take a snapshot. And as you can see, it is increasing our count. Since the first two cars came from the right-hand side, it did seem it was an exit. So our car count went up to 2. From here on the right-hand side, you can actually click on the snapshot and it'll pop up a bigger screen with more details. So this is a snap detail. On the left-hand side, you can see it's a quick, small snapshot picture. And then it shows you the original image as well. From here, you can click on more and you can export it if you want to export this footage. But for now, we're going to go ahead and just click next. And it shows you the next snapshot. We're going to go ahead and let it run. See, we got 2 more cars passing from the right-hand side. Our count went up to 4. Now we're going to go ahead and let it run for a few hours and come back to it so we can see how our data has changed. Now we're back after a couple hours and you see that our data has increased for our entrance and our exit. Now, if you need more analytics on that and intelligent analytics, we're going to go ahead and go into our menu. So from our bottom left-hand side, we're going to click on our menu, go into intelligent analytics. Since we're finding statistics on our top right, we're going to go click on statistics. And then in our case specifically, we were looking for vehicles. So we're going to click on vehicles. And then our event was target detection. So we're going to go ahead and click on target counting. Next up, you see our graph. So there isn't showing anything is because we weren't looking for that time. So once we click on the right-hand side for that specific time frame, we can see data as our entrance and our exit. As you can see from our graph, we are able to detect at what specific time there was a lot of traffic and what times was it more slow.